It's weird. If you guys really want to see how I achieved that install, just stay tuned, okay? But first of all, I got some goodies from Nadula hair as well as this robe. How sexy. And then we go into the actual wig, guys. This color scared me. I opened the packet, I said, I hope, jump, scare. I actually really liked the color though. Like once it was sitting on my head, sitting pretty on my head, I said, you know what, this bangs and I can rock this. You gotta have the 50-50 faith. You gotta have the 50-50 faith. And it was so silky smooth, guys. You know, I did no plucking to this hair whatsoever. Like there's no cap in my wrap. I did no plucking. I bleached it. I bleached the knots. Like I didn't even have to bleach the knots, but I bleached the knots just in case. You know, I don't really deal with color, so I didn't really know what to expect, but it didn't even need bleaching. Like I'm not even gonna lie, I just added my foundation and put it on. Normally I do 3 layers of glue, but for this one I did 4, just because I can't afford for any slippage, for any slipping and sliding anywhere. So 4 layers of glue, and then I sectioned the hair and started hot combing and straightening it. You people already know the process by now. It's wax stick, hot comb, and then straighten. Boom. And then when I undid my band, I saw that the melt was not really melting the way I needed it to melt, so I added some ebbing to the end of my rat tail comb, and then I put it on the perimeters of my hair. Oh my gosh, guys, no edges. Hello, who is this? Is this me? I feel like colored wigs just look more sleek and sophisticated when you don't have edges. This was my first time doing a no edges wig, guys. I was a bit out of my comfort zone, so I just added some sideburns and I said yeah. After I cleaned up my party and I was seeing if there was anything I needed to add, and I didn't show it on camera, but I did put spritz as well, just to make the melt really melted. And then this is it in different light. I was feeling myself. Love you guys, bye.